Now I am coming to dream state. Of dream state, 3 points were there. First was condition. In this condition, in this dream state, 4 things were there: man, buddhi, chit, ahankar. In this dream state, it is not buddhi, chit, ahankar oriented. It is mana pradhana. Whole 4 are not acting. Only mind is acting, and memories are faded away slightly. Buddhi, of course, is not very strong. Intellect, therefore, you see weird. There is no logic in the dream. There is no logic in the dream. I hope you are clear. It can be illogical dream also. 20 years back is there. Somebody has passed away, you thought he is here. Somebody has passed away. He came in the dream. And then you start making out, Pitar Paksh is going on, and I hope. Why? Well, my father, grandfather came and he was saying, de do, give me. I am already offering water. हमने तो दे दिया जो पितर पक्ष का था. अब क्या दे हम उनको? You gave, now keep quiet, don't give too much of meanings. बोले सुनिए, dream can have meaning. See, the other topic is there. This topic is अवस्था रहता है. We are talking on other meaning. So there cannot, because mind is there, intellect is not acting. So everything is hazy. So this way, this is the condition of. Second thing was nature. Nature is very funny. It is bhog pradhan and no karm pradhan. In the dream, if you do havan, you will not get any punya. But it is good in the dream. No, it is sign. It is showing that you are doing havan in the waking state. So your mind is good. Dream is a very good reflection of the mind. Therefore, Tulsidas says, sapne nahi dekhain pardosha. आठों जथा लाग संतोषा, सपने नहीं देखे परदोषा. That means dream is a reflection. What is your mind? Pure or impure mind is seen in the dream. That is okay. But in dream you can't do good actions. Will I help somebody in the dream? No, you can't. You can't get anything out of that help. It is not karm pradhan. Dream, please note, in dream neither there is choice of what you are seeing, neither there is choice of what you are thinking. Everything is based on the outside bhog. I hope you are clear. In dream you have no choice. Guruji gives an example that, in this dream, and I'll come to it. Third part is, what was the third part? Dominance. It is Vasana dominating is there. He says in Digdish Vivek commentary, he says, I saw some woman was going with a skirt. And after that I saw one elephant was going in the waking state. In the dream state, because the intellect is not collecting, it put that elephant was putting on skirt. So, when a person's intellect is not there, he is not able to combine the things properly. Because of this non-combining factor, there is quite a mixture in the dream, here and there. Kahin kuch mix ho gaya, somebody is saying something else. Supposing in the waking state, I came to your house and you were eating laddu at that time. And moment you open the door, surprisingly, half laddu was there and you did half somewhere here. You thought I will eat two, but you couldn't eat half. Somehow you gulped it and put the laddu somewhere on the table and you continued. In the dream you saw, I am making very big laddus. That half laddus, that impression has now become in this weird form. Because intellect is not that this is not possible. You are sitting, you are thinking I am sitting on a laddu and making it. So something very weird can come out. But you can't do any good action. In waking state I couldn't do anything. let me, sometime, if I get some time in the dream, I'll complete the job. No, that is not possible. That is not possible. मैं बहुत busy आजकल, अब ड्रीम में ही मिलेंगे, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. So it is of the nature of vasana. This is the dream state. I hope it is clear. Clear? So first was condition, second is nature, and third is dominance. It is vasana pradhan. So ardha vikas is there of the mind. In the dream. The dream is also important. I'll tell you why. Two things are there. Some very repressed samskars are there. And second thing, very little fruit of action that you get in the dream. Supposing I have to get insulted, but I don't want to be insulted. I don't want to feel that for a long time. In the dream only somebody will insult. So when you will get up, you feel it was false. You are out of that sorrow. But in the waking, if it is insulted, it will continue for a long time. In the dream, it is over in few minutes only. And you are very happy. Thank God I got up. After bad dream, you are happy. Oh, thank God it was a dream. And after good dream, you feel very bad. Somebody was there in Durban only. He was dreaming that Lord Shiva is coming to him. So Lord Shiva is coming. His Damru was there, and he said Lord Shiva was coming, and his footstep is there. His wife woke him up. Now he got up. After getting up, he said, why you woke me? Such a dream was there. You disturbed my meeting with Lord Shiva is there. Only Damru hai, I saw his feet was there and his vastra was there. His face was about to come and you woke me. You disturbed me so much. I told you not to disturb. Anyway, after again he tried to sleep. He told me, he said, again I tried to sleep. So that half Lord Shiva, if he can come back again, but he didn't come back. I felt so bad, Swami. I missed him because of this wife. In waking also, she keeps me away from God. In dream also. So in the dream state, very interesting state is there, dream state. Third state is called sushupti or supti also it is called. Dream, it is called deep sleep, it is called dreamless sleep. Seeing lot of dream is not a good sign. That means you are worried about something too much. It should be, less dream should be there. You will get better rest. Having lot of dream, you won't get rest. How deep you go in the sleep decides more than how long you sleep. Deeper is your sleep, more refreshed you will be after you get up. You will feel more fine and happy rather than hours. So condition is man, buddhi, chit, ahankar. All four are not there. All four are not there. Only out in the mind, out of the 19 components, please be careful, only 5 are active. In the deep sleep, who? Pran. Pran is active because digestion is going on, circulation is going on, but mind etc. are not active. Okay. And therefore you get up and you feel hungry after that because all food has been digested. They say the best time to eat is a breakfast time only. Metabolism is also good. And you are hungry at that time. Most hungry at the breakfast time a person is there. So this is the first condition is there. Second thing is nature. Nature is ajnana anubhav. You are not aware of anything in the dream. In the deep sleep. So subtle body is not experienced, gross body is not experienced, only causal body is there. This is the nature. So both are not there. So you are not aware of the gross body, you are not aware of the subtle body, you are not aware of father, mother, nothing is there. There is no world existing. So they say he slept like a log. कुछ पता वता नहीं, nothing is knowing. Totally he is in deep sleep is there. Three states are there. Well, why? This is the discussion in the Vedanta. Huh? Why? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why it is there. So what about the joy? When you get up, then you say, I rested well. Vedanta uses these three states, Anvay and Vyatirik. What is Anvay Vyatirik? What goes through all? Please be careful. I was in the waking state. I was in the dream state. And I was in the deep sleep state. Waking state, if it is belonging to me alone, I would not have left it. Because I can leave something, that means that state doesn't belong to me. Dream state, because it did not belong to me, I went and I left it. And deep sleep also, it did not belong to me, I took and I gave it up. There is one I which is going through all the states. Waker, dreamer and deep sleeper. In these three, R is common. And waking state has come, gone, self is same. It in front of you, that conditioning of waking state came, it became waker, son, father. This is gone. Dream state came, another conditioning came, he became enemy friend. Deep sleep, he doesn't know anything. And these three states are coming and going. That means this I has nothing to do with either of the three states. ये मेहमान है, guest. Well, this is your room. People say when I go somewhere, this is your room. I say, my room? Well, yes. This is. I said, it is for me for 5 days. After that, it is not mine. बोले नहीं, आप ही का, अपना ही समझिए. It's your only. Whenever you want, you can come and stay here. This is your car. This is your washroom. This is your clothes. I go there and I come. That means that room was not belonging to me if I can leave it. Anything which is leavable is not I. Nature of a thing is that which cannot be left. Sugar cannot leave its sweetness, therefore sweetness is the nature of sugar. Milk can't leave its whiteness, therefore whiteness can be the nature of milk. But if you heat the milk, milk can leave its heat, therefore heat is not the nature of milk. But heat is the nature of fire. Something which I can drop it is not my nature. Because I can drop this waking state which is based on this body. Moment this body, camera is, body glass is there, 3D films are there. 3D films. See, I have not seen. Neither have any desire to see. But they get one glasses therein. You have seen 3D film. Acha, you get a glasses. So you see that everything is in 3-dimensional after that. You know, in India somebody was seeing. He ran away because the truck was coming. हाँ, ऐसा होता है. हाँ. So you see that. Why, to explain Vedanta I am using that. Like it is not there, but moment you put the goggles of that, you start seeing it. Similarly, this is one goggle called the gross body. Nice goggle is there. 65, 70 kg. Some are 80, 90 also. So, this goggle I have put on and I see this nice world. पापा को मम्मी से प्यार है. मम्मी को पापा से प्यार है। ऐसा ही था ना कोई भजन, अरे मतलब सम सॉन्ग वाज देयर। उसके बाद क्या था पता नहीं क्या था। हाँ अच्छा देखो कितना श्लोक नहीं आते। so this is the goggles. I see myself son, daughter, father, mother, sister, brother, officer. Moment this goggle is out, another goggle comes up. It is called dream state goggle. No logical is there. No logic is there in that. I see myself as an old person walking on a stick. I see somewhere that lion is coming in front of me. And you know, lion also folded his hand. And I also folded my hand. Both are praying. I prayed, oh God, save me. And lion was doing Brahma Arpadam Brahma. Both were praying. Brahma Arpadam is the prayer before food. I got up, Where you get all these things? Why? This is a dream state is there. Goggle is there. ये goggle चला गया. Other thought came, I don't know anything. Third goggle came. We are shunting in 3 goggles. You are not goggle. And this body is one small part of the waking state. Actually speaking, you won't like what I am saying. I have nothing to do with these 3 bodies. 3 states, sorry. If I was there, I wouldn't have left it. Seeing myself as different than 3. Seeing myself as different, I'm not a part, I'm not belonging to that waking state. But in the dream, you feel I am belonging to the dream state. In the dream state is very real. Dream house is very real. Your crying, laughing is very real. Husband, wife, joy, sorrow is very real. This waking, dirgha swapnam imam vidhi dirgham va manoratham. This comes in Yoga Vasishtha. बोले this is a very long dream. बोले ये भी ड्रीम है. ड्रीम है, बिल्कुल ड्रीम है. And you know, when the time passes, you say everything went away like dream. You know, what age has passed away? Supposing you are 50. I suppose most of you are. So supposing it is like, then you say, you know, all passed away like dream. We used to study, we were small children, coming back from the school, we used to, pluck the flowers and pluck the apple somewhere, pluck guava and so this is there. We used to come dancing. What were days? We didn't have car in our house, Swami. We didn't have car. We had no concept of car. We used to walk sometimes. Cycling was cycling. So that was there. Where is that days? No. Where is that teacher who was teaching you in the class 3 and class 4? I think most of them have passed away. Acha? My grandparents were there, and you know that. Then I applied for a job. Acha. First time when I purchased car, I can't tell you what joy I got. I did arti of that car. Puja of that car was done. I went for a driving lesson. What happened? It was 35 years back I'm talking of, not today. 35 years back. Oh, 35 years, yes. What all has happened? It has all gone. Many people have gone. That house that we were living in, that has gone. No, somebody else has purchased. No, that is renovated. It is no more the same house where we were playing in the childhood. No more. Why don't you go and say? No, I went. No, somebody else was playing. But that house was also not there. Now we have children, children have grown up. We have to see for their marriage. One boy is married, girl is there. क्या था क्या होगा सब ड्रीम के दर्द. So this waking state also is not the one which belongs to you. And therefore nobody in the waking state belongs to you. Even whole state doesn't belong to you. And dream state to dream ही है भाई, वो तो मिलेगी नहीं फिर. And deep sleep is also nice. Aham kinchit api na vedisham. I am not knowing anything in the dream. These are the three states. But we don't, if you have to study the whole thing, three states. Why you're only concentrated on the waking state? Supposing only waking state was there, I would have said, okay, you are the only waker. And this body was eternal. I would have said, you are this body. But this body also goes away in the waking state. So these are called three avasthas or three states. Purpose of that is, anvay means that which goes through all. And Vyatirek means that which excludes this. Because the waking state excludes this, therefore it is not real. All exclusive, all inclusive is there. Anu plus A. I means to go. Anu means continuously. So we live the life as if this is very real. This body is very real. This husband-wife is very real. We live as if we live for eternity. We live as if this is my really real friend is there. Real friend is there. Swamiji is my real friend. We have a true love. We love each other truly. People say all these things. I smile. Why to say anything? But you love truly, what is my problem? I have no problem. Just call for Bhiksha, that is the only thing. So, हमसे क्या मतलब भाई, वेदांत क्लास में आओ तो बताएंगे तो कि क्या होता है ट्रू, क्या होता है फॉल्स. एंड वी मेक इट एवरी सो बिग इज देयर. अरे आप छोड़ने वाले उसको. This waking state you are going to, it is 9:30, many have afternoon nap, you are going to leave it in few hours only. And some have left. So, and you are going to leave this, at least in the night, you will be leaving this. And again you will get this goggle. This is a goggle of the cross. This goggle is there. This is there. And moment this goggle is over, then you will go to the next birth also. But that self which is going through all, it does not, if it was, please get my point. Same watch I can't see in the dream. I will have a recording of the watch. The dream state is waking is a collection, dream is recollection. Waking is a collection. Like you are recording. Waking is a recording. And dream is playing. ठीक बोला ना? One is VCR. And one is VCP. Earlier days these used to be there. Now nobody sees all these things. One is VCR, recording everything. But playing is in the dream state. So this dream state and waking state, these are all, please get one point. When I say world, very big world, it appears as a real. When you say waking state, it takes out the reality from that. World, the word world shows that something is very concrete, tangible. But the word avastha or state shows it is not real. Two more are there. Ye real hai ki wo real hai? How can there be two realities? Well, no, dream is not real. Why? Because it goes away. Achha. So waking also goes away. Waking also will pass away after some time. No experience is the one you can hold it. Tell me one experience which you could hold that. Good, bad, sorrow, joyful. Every experience is just coming to fly away forever. How can you say it is real after that? But that self, which is the underlying substratum, illuminator of all three, without the goggle, seeing the self without goggle, seeing the self without goggle is turiya. Don't have to meditate, don't worry. In the waking also you can take out and see yourself without goggle. Only how could you take out the body and say, no, you have to mentally think it is not right, it is not real. I am without the body also, my existence is there. Without this body also I am existing. Knowing to see ourselves without the existence of this body as unmodified self, that conscious self which is illuminator and not doer enjoyer all the time, it is more a seer than doer and enjoyer. Under the sun, whether Gangaji is going or murder is going on, Havan is going on or dead body is going on, sun is not affected. Sunlight has not become pure because Havan was going on. And sunlight has not become impure because some kind of murder was going on. A sunlight has not become pure because it has fallen on the Ganges, or it has not become impure because it has fallen on the dead body. Sunlight is untouched. Let any amount of Havan happen or any amount of dead body may pass. It is nothing to do with either of them. Similarly, this I is there. Let any waking number of waking state come and go. Dream may come and go. Deep sleep may come and go. That is same as it is, as it was, as it will be. I hope something is clear. Oh, I think I'm totally clear. ये मजा है वेदांत का. So live, Gurudev used to say, live in the world, but don't belong to world. Be in the world, but don't be of the world. Gita says, Matsthani sarbhutani na chaham tesho asthita. They are all in me, but I am not in them. This is avasthantraya vivek. 3 avasthas are there.